You like spaghetti? You like spaghetti? How about you? You like spaghetti? What about you? You like the spaghetti too? Huh? You want some spaghetti noodles? Actually, they're Chinese noodles. How about my Hemi boy? You like the spaghetti? Mmm. Would you rather have marinara sauce? I'm guessing you don't want the vegetables that go with it. Okay, here's a big long one. Ready? Ready? Here we go. What do you think? Oh, you just want to lick the fingers? Okay, here's one for the little girl. Let me find a good sized noodle. We can't have these little bitty jobs. Here we go. This one's for the little girl. There you go. Okay, that's it.